Absolutely, JK. The new book will talk about a lot about that. Why don't we do a trader check-in, guys? How are we trading? Following the plan? Staying emotionally regulated and in control? Is there escalation taking place? Look at that. VWAP Bounce on ES. I didn't take it. I'm not trading ES, but I also didn't take the corresponding setup on NQ. I thought about it. Who took it? I'd be interested to see who in the chat took that trade, put a W in on the ES VWAP Bounce short. Alex is in timeout. Not a bad place to be. Look at that trade, guys.
Eric,
That's
that means
15
you took it
points
on,
so far.
Eric, you took it on NQ then.
Yeah, because there's only 15
Still
points.
holding. Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Okay. So now ES is back down to lower band. RTH lower band is down there at 6709.75, and it's right on the pivot S2 at 711 and a quarter.
Sure looks like we want to revisit those lows, doesn't it?
It does. Morning, Tony.
Dang, a beauty right there.
I'm journaling.
Oh. Buyer stepped in there. Is this going to be whack-a-mole?
Could be. It's right here at the RTH lower band. ES is back to the session lower band.
Normally you want to short these little pops after something like that. So we'll see. Nice, Donald. Excellent.
Short's working for now. Are they going to come back at it?
Somebody on YouTube. Is the VWAP anchored to midnight? I feel like they're messing with me.
No, it's not anchored to midnight.
Are you messing with me?
Why is everybody always picking on me? Short at 682.75. I don't think this is going to go, though. Take that off there. Good, I did. Just a little bit of excess price on ES. The age-old question of scalp versus bigger move.
Morning, Sarah. I generally don't fade the second deviation unless we're in a balanced market. So if the VWAP is sloping down and we're getting VWAP bounces on the RTH, that's not where I want to fade the second standard deviation. Second standard deviation is a sign of strength and trending markets, and I don't want to fade that. I don't want to get rolled over. I want to join the price action in the direction of that price discovery. Balanced market, different. Flat VWAP, ranging market conditions. Big extension to second standard could be a good fade location.
Interesting observation, Abdullah.
We did have a 100-point rotation, though, 20 minutes ago, and then 100 points down. So that's decent range. It's not like we're trading in a 20-point range here. Lower high, maybe, on the delta. unless we grind up from here. So this is an interesting spot. This is an interesting spot. And since this spot is so close to this spot, I like this spot better. So, so we'll watch. Do we stay in balance here and just reject at this low? That's a possibility. Sure seems like it wants lower though, but I could be completely wrong.
Feels that way.
What's going to make it difficult if it grinds down there?
Gary, I have that down at 614, not or 611, not at 641.
What?
Is that a win, JP? JJ, you still holding? Back to weekly lower band on ES, pushing through now. We have an IB.
And we already have a Madonna, just like that.
Wrong button,
Little
dude.
bounce there. Little baby bounce. So it's 10 points, almost 15 on the Madonna. And then a little lower to the monthly here. Took a little scalp there, nothing too exciting. I'm flat. Okay, here it goes. Here comes monthly. Quite the selling volume on the Delta. I don't think I'm just going to, I don't know. Seems like such a good setup location.
It does. I started it.
So did I. I already took the Madonna, JJ, and closed it. Small win. The Delta is not looking Madonna-esque right now. It's looking like Tankeroni.
Don't tell me that.
Oh, it is what it is. Tankacito.
Yeah, that's right.
We're down almost 2,000 contracts on the Delta here on NQ. Means 2,000 more market shorts than buys. Of full-size NQ minis. So times 2,000 by $500,000. That's pretty significant short interest right now.
I'm just eating it up on ES, so.
There we go. Come on.
Back through.
Yes.
Up and through. Let's go.
Keep going. Well, like 603/4. So here's about 20 points right here. I took it off at IB low. I was hoping we would just blast through that level, and that's not what happened.
Yes, it's giving us some buyers. I'm holding. I'm long from 606.75. Come on, break through. Thank you.
That was a fade value
Target
extreme
value
off the
area
monthly
low at
lower
6.
band.
My target is value area low at 644.50. Let's go. Get a push. 10 more points. Get through these 30s.
We do have a big low volume node right here. Between
I know.
44 and 30.
Oof.
Low volume nodes there.
Hold tight.
Low participation zone right there. If I were going to short it, that's where I would have shorted it.
Zoop. Zoop it up. Let's go.
I think we're going to retest that low.
ES is back testing the weekly lower band and IB low.
Yeah, this was there were some good long opportunities, but shorts are definitely preferential when we're in price discovery to the downside. You see why 30.28 would have been the better cover spot based on the profile?
I do.
I mean, that's quite literally a late entry continuation short. Did you get out of it?
I just did. I'm going to go look at the rain outside my window.
Okay.
Be right back.
Measures for Israeli, Jewish, and U.S. institutions in Germany.
Back up it goes. All right, well, let's do a little trader check-in, guys. How are we trading today? I'm up 692 in a PA. This account's up $3,360. Taking the setups. I got a 84% win rate and slightly negative risk to reward here, about 12 to 17. Nice, Donald. Excellent. Love to hear it. Bella's focused. Bill, still no trades. That's all right. This might not be your market condition where you really like to see the setups. So maybe you're more of a balance trader. Svetlana, you want to be a little more detailed about what levels specifically? are different. Which bands? The price wave deviation bands? Or the monthly bands? Okay. So these are on RSI 14 on the 2-minute. So you got to be on the same time frame and 14. Then they should be about the same. And on NQ, not MNQ. This is NQ. Okay, cool. Pretty close to the max payout on this Apex account, 2,000. So that's good. I'm going to switch over to a top step combine here. See what type of magic I can do in here. Oh, I can't trade. I already traded this last night. Oh well. Chuck, you're back.
I am back.
It was a big stop run.
I see that.
Are you back
All
in?
right. Well, that long there just got most of it back.
Oh, good.
PDC. Quick reaction on ES.
Eric, no way. Is that in a funded account?
How many accounts is that, Eric?
Eric, would you do the honors of just telling everybody your success recently? Because I'm going to be sitting down with Eric Monday evening, and we're going to be doing a little interview. Because Eric's been absolutely crushing it trading the system.
Yeah, I don't think it's I mean it's not plus 5K on one account. He's trading he's copying multiple accounts together.
Look at that long now. There you go. That's what you were looking for.
That's what I was looking for. That's right.
But we were in this distribution until it proved otherwise, and it tested the other side of value first.
Yeah, I came out of that hole with only 1 micro too.
Good.
Where before I was in 4 micros. So all the way back to VWAP for ES.
So Eric's got 6 payouts this month and 1 more this week. So total withdrawals this month, $15,000. And he's done about $50,000 in payouts since November 1st.
Who said what? Trump administration is set to suspend the Jones Act to tame oil prices at 10:46. That'll do it.
He has 30 funded accounts. 30. Eric, I also believe you're full-time trading now, right? Oh no, you do have a job. You mentioned that. Sorry, he does have a he has a full-time job. So it can be done, guys. Full-time job, pulled out 50K in the last 4 months trading.
Yeah, that was a long time ago. Defense. Oh, that was so close, JJ. Yeah, but if you see the timestamp, Deepez, that was 9:19 in the morning.
Another big rejection there. Look at that. Stop runs to both sides. Directional traders pulling their hair out.
That's annoying too, because I was short from 709.50. JJ, if you need to take a break, go take a walk. You've been doing real well this morning. You're welcome, Robert. I did too. And I put my stop too tight. Silliness. Crushing it this week, dude. Did Chris say he was going to be right back? Or did he just vanish?
What do you mean? Right
We
here.
don't see your video. We don't see your video.
I don't know why it does that. It just turns me off sometimes. Weird little glitch.
And here we are, LJ. And here we are.
Maritime Authority says it's a double notice Norwegian flag ships will not be permitted to enter the Strait of Hormuz.
Tyler, tearing it up. Good job, dude. How many points is that? Let's say. Just in dollars. Show me your points, man. Show me your points. You're welcome, Robert. It's not me doing it, dude. I'm just turning the lights on the areas that that can work.
Maybe tomorrow will be better, Assassin. Big rotations, big movement, easy to get caught on the wrong side if you're trying to fade in the wrong spots or having tight stops. So
I probably would need to do some spreadsheet gymnastics. Export all your trades and put some formulas in. It'll auto calculate it. You can sum it at the bottom. As a former spreadsheet engineer, I can point you in that direction. And once you see the light, you can't unsee it, Robert. Nice, Dale. What specifically, right? If you're talking to Claude, I mean, how's that? What's your main conversation like?
bit of a higher low there.
Yeah, ES is holding right at the. I mean, you've got a B plus setup over and over and over again on ES right there at IB low and the weekly lower band. It's kind of getting squeezed below value area low and the session band. Just rejecting off of that at 67.04.
I think it looks very thin on NinjaTrader. It looks like a price discovery profile. Just thin with tiny distributions on the way down. We haven't really built an acceptance level anywhere. Just these little micro distributions. They're all roughly the same size, which is indicative of price discovery. You know, maybe we spend time down here and build a bigger lowercase b, but we have to see.
I've heard the same, Dale. Anthropic's doing something right. Any takeaways on the delta divergence between NQ and ES?
You're talking to me?
Yeah, I am.
What did you say? Sorry.
I was just asking are there any takeaways for the group when we look at CVD, the divergence between NQ and ES?
Well, not really. ES behaves very differently due to how highly liquid it is and thick and how many orders take place in that market. I find the NQ delta much more reliable than ES because it's a much
I mean,
thinner
based on
instrument.
looking at if you look at the price action, it looks completely more in sync, whereas ES just looks like, really, dude?
Yeah. And that's just the nature of ES because it's so thick and the institutions that trade it with such large size, it's completely different. You could have massive aggressive buyers and it go nowhere due to a huge passive seller on the offer on ES. You're not going to see that as much on NQ. Yep, and a lot of hedging for sure. So I take a much closer look to the NQ delta than I do the ES.
Now, does ES go for the RTV here, right at value area low and the session lower band, or is that just another test before going lower? We shall see. It's until now. That was the PDC test. Yes, back to IB low and weekly lower band.
And the downtrend remains fully intact. Lower
Fully
highs,
intact.
lower lows. And that ES VWAP Bounce was one of the best trades of the morning. And there was two of them. Two of them. If you ES traders didn't catch these VWAP bounces, what are you doing? Because they were perfect. No heat. Just take the trade as it sets up.
Tony got him.
Nice. All right, I'll be right back.
Now it looks like ES Delta is turning over here at the double top.
and Secretary Healy says mine clearance is near impossible during the conflict, and the best way to reopen the shipping route is to de-escalate.
Being forced to eat this homemade scone.
Twist your arm, right?
Well, then back away from the keyboard, Hoku. Back away. Not necessarily, Eric, especially not in a trending market. Point of control and value tends to migrate in price discovery, and it generally acts as a springboard. So we bought these cats, these really nice cat beds, and they prefer to sleep in an empty fruit bowl on the dining room table.
Against the US but the 12 basis points, price got 4% higher since October.
No, they don't. They use it just enough for us to not get rid of them. They'll use it sometimes. Exactly.
Sources for export and lost the 10-day price schedule in March due to dread attacks at stores.
I don't know. They're not allowing oil. I can tell you that. I tried that. That didn't work.
On
I don't think they do.
no, they don't.
The volatility is kind of normalized on gold, so I don't understand why. We're glad we stuck with you, Tyler, to see the results and things come along. Makes it all worth it when we see somebody stay committed and kind of turn the page and make progress.
Was 10% after around several respect news closed.
I agree with you, Tony. I believe a lot of money flowed out of the metals and into oil. New highs on oil, 96.5 almost here. Yeah, we're starting to build, the most significant distribution of the day so far, and we're coming into, we're past the 11 o'clock hour. So we've tested this level a couple of times now, and it's rejected. So you're going to want to be careful. If you're not already short, this is not a great place to go short. You can easily get caught off sides if it just tests simply the other side of value, which is, 30, 40 points away. And if we get any excess price to the other side, it could go 50 points easily from here in the other direction and still just testing this value area.
Spot gold fallen nearly 1%.
Okay, is this the crack? Don't get too
No, they've been
excited.
holding it. They've been fighting against it. They've been holding it.
It's a better buy than a sell.
ES looks weaker.
You check your Telegram, Chuck?
Yeah. Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
It does feel like they're cracking it, though.
It does. The delta is, lower lows, lower highs so far. So that descending triangle, that's generally the pattern we see as it works towards breaking a level. That's very tough. I still like this 530 level. It's at least a B plus setup, pretty close to an A plus. Around 525, 530. So we're about 35 points away from that long. Here it goes. Does it continue? Or do they they bear trap everybody. Done for real now. I've heard that one before, Tony. Done for real now. No, now I'm done. Yeah. Squeeze them out again? Or is this hold?
I think so. 66.85 is interesting level on ES.
A lot of buyers stepped in there. Is there a continuation?
Got to get over this monthly band.
It's battling it. It's like another bear trap. Silly bears. Always falling for the traps. All right, rejected a bit there. Seller step back in. Defending that back test of the monthly lower band. Do we get, if we can break this weekly, we'll be on price discovery on all time frames.
I need to stop clicking the wrong button.
Yeah, that's a rookie mistake there.
I mean, they're right above each other, and
You
my
can't press
mouse
the right
drifts
button.
down.
It's almost like there's a drill for that. Maybe put them further apart.
I can't
So you
change
can't
top step
accidentally.
X.
Oh, I thought you were on a stream deck or something.
No.
Okay.
Back to this monthly band. Zoop. Gonna go up now. We gonna break through. You wanna?
Come on, 530. This is my zone. It's my buy zone. Major reversal area. 530. Give or take.
This is our TV chop.
Trading industry says it, but then a world strikes and they leave.
Well, it held that monthly lower band pretty well, didn't it?
Yep, sure
2,
did.
4, 6, 8 minutes of it testing that level. Oil higher, approaching 97. We'll probably get back above 100. Too late to buy it here? It's up 11%. We got another move like this one. This is that day we trended all day. All right, why don't we do one last trader check-in here, guys? How do we do today? Manage your risk.
Supplemental request. Sees fiscal year 2027 budget request coming relatively soon.
Calm. Walks helping a lot. Love the idea of walks. I still get up from my trading desk all the time. One of the best things I can do to reset. Donald keeps finding himself stuck in distributions. Yep. It's a good trade until it builds up and builds a distribution. You're caught in the middle of it. What was originally a high probability trade has changed.
There they are. There they are. Not yet. 530s, not yet.
I don't think we're done. We haven't really cracked this level yet. Thanks, Gary. It's a good day. Ed, just learning. perfect place to do that, I'd like to think. That looks like another rejection. Trying again.
The lineman sled. You have to keep bouncing off of it and keep coming at it.
All right, let's talk a little bit about what we have in store for you guys today. Today we have group coaching at 12:30 p.m. in the premium classroom. That's going to be with me. We're going to be focusing on execution, fundamentals, and basics. So come join us for that at 12:30 p.m. Chuck's got the market recap at 4:30 p.m. He'll be breaking down all the setups as they materialize today inside the VWAP Wave system across multiple products and multiple markets. So come join us. Lots in store. We have a busy day over at the Inner Circle today as well. We have the morning trade recaps after this at 11:30 in about 5 minutes. Inner Circle. We're going to huddle over in the IC classroom. 6 p.m. we have the Inner Circle core class, and then 7 p.m. we have Inner Circle Foundations at 7 p.m. with Chuck. So lots of opportunity to learn today. The Inner Circle waitlist is available for anybody interested in that program. There's the link in the chat for anybody interested in the waitlist.
ES back to IB low. Pushed above the weekly lower band. It's eating through it. Is it going to make it through it? Come on, guys. Whoosh. And a whoosh came over the crowd. NQ to IB low and point of control. Pushing through. Must be good news. Yes, is almost to the lower band here.
No 5:30 yet for us. Oh, Gary, we're just getting started, man. Wait till you see what we have in store for you.
That was a good one. That was a really good one. Take it to the top of the distribution. I still hear the tickers, but ES is at the band. NQ's at the top of the distribution. $600. Okay.
Tickers are going wild.
Tick is going wild. That's a new one for.
That's going to be a new VHS. Tick has gone wild. Crypto Penguin, do your job. This is really cute, David. It kind of looks like Olive, too. I love this.
Oh, wow. Look at that. It is going straight for the band. That was my original target, but I cut it.
It's all right.
It's okay. Win's a win.
I would have turned that last trade into a winner, too, if you would have done that.
Yes, this I know. I like digging out of holes, right?
Maybe we shouldn't dig the hole in the first place.
Yeah, that would be a good idea.
You know, a couple losing trades isn't a big deal, but holes to be dug out of on the daily, we want to avoid that.
Yeah.
And if you've seen my usual scalping equity curve, there's not a bunch of drawdown in that generally.
No. No. ES backtesting the band. Does it have more momentum to clear it out and go?
They say when you find yourself in a hole, stop digging.
Stop digging. Where's the RSI indicator? It's right there.
Yeah.
Would you look at it?
I'm looking at it. All right, guys, I'm going to get ready for group coaching in an hour. Come join us in the premium classroom, 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come join us. All right, we're going to be going over execution. Chuck, live 4:30 p.m. for the recap. Inner Circle, we'll see you here shortly. Anybody interested in that program? Link is in the chat. And we will see you guys in a little bit for group coaching. If you're going to keep trading in the meantime, manage your risk, stay sharp. You can head on over to the voice channels. There's a link there in the chat. You can share your mic, share your screens, collaborate with your fellow VWAP Wave System traders, ask questions, maybe trade a simulator. You don't always have to trade live. You can practice your DOM skills, all that kind of stuff. So you can head on over to that. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Great morning. Manage risk, stay sharp, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Thanks for joining me today, Chuck.